A lot has been happening around R. Kelly for the past couple of weeks. His lawyers came out recently clamoring for President Donald Trump to grant R. Kelly a presidential pardon. We all know that R. Kelly is in prison, serving a long prison sentence. Now, R. Kelly has done some things that we are not proud of, and is already serving the prison sentence for that. He was convicted of sex trafficking and all other things he has done. R. Kelly is serving about 30 to 35 years to life. R. Kelly was hospitalized in prison as a result of an overdose from the medicine he was given by the prison officials, allegedly. He was actually taken to the hospital, and the lawyers are all over the place clamoring and still seeking for the presidential pardon from President Donald Trump. They are still hoping, they are still waiting, they are still praying. But R. Kelly, according to the sentence he is serving, is a very long prison sentence. He is not going to be out until 2045. Yes. Now, the level at which this thing is going now, a lot of people have said a lot of things on the internet, because R. Kelly has been in solitary confinement for a long time. According to the information popping up on the internet, allegedly, they said some very powerful prison officials, are actually making plans with some inmates in the prison where R. Kelly is serving his sentence. They're actually making plans to find R. Kelly in prison. So when the lawyers came out, allegedly, they said the government needs to do something, that there has been some discrepancies in the case that got R. Kelly convicted, that the prosecutors allegedly actually did a couple of swapping with some information that has to do with some witnesses on the case. They now said the truth has come out, and they are preparing their case to make sure that the justice system see the discrepancy in the case. That is why some very powerful prison officials are allegedly planning to take out R. Kelly in prison. Then a couple of days later, R. Kelly was actually hospitalized as a result of an overdose from some medications some prison officials actually gave R. Kelly in his solitary confinement. Now, what is really going on with R. Kelly? But a lot has been said recently about who is the greatest R&B singer of all time. This countdown has been popping up on the internet. A lot of people have been giving their own opinions as regard who is the greatest R&B singer of all time. I saw a countdown: top 10, top 20, top 30, top 5. Then a lot of people has come out to say a lot of things. Tariq came out. We saw what Bow Wow said about R. Kelly. No matter what anybody says, no matter what they do, no matter what they say, one thing they cannot do is take away R. Kelly's contributions to the growth of R&B music in America and around the world. R. Kelly, he has 3 Grammys to his name. He has been nominated 26 times at the Grammys. R. Kelly have sold well over 75 million record sales, with over 40 million album sales, with 3 Grammys to his name. R. Kelly has written R&B hits for over 200 R&B artists all over the game. Now, writing a song, you could write a song and the song might just be there. He has written over 200 hits for a lot of other artists in the game. R. Kelly wrote "You Are Not Alone" for Michael Jackson. R. Kelly wrote that duet he did with Celine Dion, "I'm Your Angel." He wrote it for Celine Dion. R. Kelly has done so much to the game of R&B in America. R. Kelly, to a lot of people, is the greatest R&B artist of all time. And there has been this comparison with Usher, with the likes of Chris Brown, with the likes of Stevie Wonder, with the likes of Sean Stockman, with the likes of a lot of all these great R&B artists. But each time you ask anybody in America, people that knows a lot about the game, they will tell you that R. Kelly is the best to ever do it. Because R. Kelly writes, he sings, and he produces his own music. You can imagine such talent. He has done a lot to the game. Now, what I'm trying to say in this video is that we are not proud of what he has done. But the thing is, when you look around, you will see that out of all the R&B, legendary artists we have in the game, R. Kelly is the greatest. Guys, what are your thoughts about what is going on with R. Kelly? Jeff Owulewa is my name. I'll see you on the other side. Please, if you know that you have not subscribed to my channel, Jeff Owulewa TV, please do so and make sure you smash that notification bell. So when my next video is popping up, you'll be the first to see it. God bless you for watching my videos. God bless you for dropping those beautiful comments. God bless you. God bless you. I really appreciate you guys.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button.